I think I can make it to the top.
Oh, dirt. It is getting very hot in here. Oh, I can't go any further. I feel so heavy. Musty is in trouble. His engine temperature is critical.
Rescue team, let's move out to High Peak Slope.
Hold on, Musty. We are almost there.
Don't worry, Mr. Musty. We will get you to the repair center. Slow and steady, I will keep you moving. Everything feels so sluggish inside me. This place is a bit scary for an old car like me. It's time for a deep checkup, Musty. Let's see what's wrong.
Steady now. I'm going up.
The sensors are picking up something very thick inside your oil tank. Oh no! Your oil has turned into thick sludge. Is that why I couldn't climb the hill?
Without clean oil, Musty's engine parts are rubbing together and creating too much heat. I'll stand by with my water hose in case we need to cool him down quickly.
We need to extract all the dirty sludge before we can add the fresh oil. It looks like thick molasses. No wonder he was struggling. Ooh, that feels very strange. Wait, something is blocking the filter. A hardened piece of debris is stuck. This is dangerous. I'm feeling hot again, Jin. Please help. The power is failing. The cooling fans have stopped.
I'll provide the light.
Jin, keep going.
I've got the coolant moving. You clear that blockage.
Almost there. Just a little more precision. There it is! The blockage is cleared. Oh, I can breathe again. Thank you, Jin.
Power is back. Now let's get that fresh oil in. This is the good stuff, Musty. It will make you feel like a new car.
Look at those gears move. So smooth.
Listen to that! I haven't sounded this good in years!
Welcome back to the road, Mr. Musty. Remember, Musty, an oil change is just as important as a car wash.
Time for a rematch with that hill!
Here I go. Watch me climb. Hi. It feels like I have wings. I'm so light. looks beautiful from up here. Great job, Musty! You're a hero! Mission accomplished! Another successful maintenance rescue! Hello, everyone! I'm feeling great today!
Wow, Musty! You're driving like a race car today!
I've brought the morning deliveries, and I'm right on time! You're the best, Mr. Musty! Thank you for working so hard! Today reminded us that helping others also means helping them take care of themselves.
I've scheduled everyone for their checkups now. No more sludge for Brooms Town. Stay safe, stay clean, and always listen to your engine.
Cough? Maintenance? Who needs that? I'm fine, I think.
Uh-oh. Maybe I should have listened to Jin.
I'm watching you, Spooky! You'd better head to the station tomorrow! Good night, Broomstown! It's good to feel light again! The team is always ready, day or night. The power of one clean drop can change everything. Prevention is the best medicine for vehicles, too.
Keeping our tools organized helps us save time during rescues.
A clean car is a happy car, inside and out. Updating the maintenance logs for everyone in town. I remember how hard it was. I'm so glad it's over. Everything is running perfectly today.
Looking sharp today, Musty. Did you get a tune-up?
A new day, and I'm ready for anything! I love keeping the town clean, just like Jin keeps engines clean. I have so many letters to deliver today. Zoom, zoom.
Slow and steady, that's how we build a good road. And there goes the load. Ready for more. Nothing stands in my way today. Digging deep is what I do best. This load is heavy, but my engine is strong.
The harbor is clear, and the water is fine. Ready for a long journey across the sea. Lifting and shifting, that's my specialty.
The mountain air makes my engine feel alive.
Searching for adventure in every corner. The sky is clear and the view is amazing. It's a great day when everyone is at their best.
We are the Brooms Broomstown Rescue Team. Always here for you.
Thank you for watching my rescue. See you next time. Stay tuned for more Broomstown adventures.